So in this short video, I just quickly want to introduce you to our content idea generator. The purpose of this app is to give you an overview of every aspect of the topic you want to talk about in seconds. So what I basically did here as an example, I typed in affiliate marketing, I press consent and create. And a couple of minutes later, I get an Excel sheet like this one via email. And here we have our main categories, subcategories, and headlines. And as you can see, it's a lot of headlines. So this is perfect for you to start a new Facebook group or a new social media channel or whatever. And the purpose of this, you could obviously do that quite well with ChatGPT. But then you probably have a lot of same topics what you already have talked about, and they're not organized in categories. So this is doing everything, and we tried to do this with ChatGPT. It always took hours, so this is why we created the app. And let's just quickly check some categories here. So we have affiliate marketing niches, that's pretty good. Strategies, programs and networks, that's pretty good. Content creation tips, probably. Email marketing, so that's all really good. And you could probably say there's one good topic idea per day for a whole year created for you in seconds, basically. Okay.